Hello. Oh my goodness. So I've just spent 3 days, 3 nights at Rock the Moat Festival. And then if anybody knows, I'm very noise sensitive. Um, and the bands were playing. We could only find a campsite. That was, I think it's 86. Sorry, it's about 200 yards right behind the heavy metal stage. But it was considerate because I don't think they started until about 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then they had a 10 o'clock strict deadline when they have to stop. Um, but yeah, I wore my the cheaper version of loop earbuds the whole time, and it was the only way I can get through. And I also have fibro, so I'm very stiff. So sleeping on a camp bed, a blow-up mattress for 3 nights. However, the children extremely enjoyed themselves. It was wonderful just to see them go, and they said they felt safe. So, I mean, that is an amazing. There were no fights with anyone, and nobody was being ridiculously ill or sick from alcohol. It was very, very well managed. So, if you get a chance to, if you fancy going along Rock the Moat next year in a Moat Park Maidstone, I would thoroughly recommend it if you like heavy metal. And they do it so that children can come along, and everyone was just really sensible. So yeah, I enjoyed it. But however, the night I came back, I don't even remember my head touching the pillow, and I slept solidly for about 12 hours nearly, I think. And then last night I've done pretty much the same, but I'm still tired. So it's taken everything out of me. Anyway, that's my little catch up. Um, Today I'm going to do a little jewellery unboxing. I've got this little package in the post. I'm not entirely sure what's in it, so it's a nice surprise. Obviously, when you get these Tangle packets, you can only see a few things. Well, you can, sometimes they lay them out so you can see everything. Personally, I like it so I can only see a little bit. But this is a kilo's worth. Excuse me, my hands are a bit weird. So yeah, I'm quite interested to see what goodies I've got in here. Oh, there you go. So it's all boxed up nicely. And let's have a look. We see. What's this first one? Okay, that's quite punky, I think. I think my daughter might like that one. Some tangled stuff. What's this one, isn't it? Necklace? Oh, two necklaces. They're a little bit tangled. Oh no, two and I don't know what this is. Oh no, there's part of that. Oh, that's cute. I'd wear that. I like that. A little bit of natural hemp. And this one's tangled on there, so it's just a normal one. I don't think that's not really me. So yeah, it's quite cute. Put them in little piles for me, for them. Oh yeah, that's definitely my daughter. Punky looking. But then I quite like all the fabric on it. That's good fun. A couple of cute bracelets. Yeah. Okay. Metally one. Ooh, a good snake one. I love a snake bracelet. Oh, that's fun. Yeah. She's going to get loads out of this one. I'm not sure about this one. Okay. I think that one that's very me. Little shells and glass, so that needs to be untangled. Oh, a very heavy black one. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, hold on. Not sure about this one. I think there's something a bit wrong with this. It's gone a bit awry, maybe, because that seems to be quite high up with. Oh, I see. Look, it's like that. Yeah, that's quite cute. I think that needs a bit of fixing though. I mean, that is quite cute. It's quite sort of Gatsby style, isn't it? I quite like that. I do like a good shell necklace. Do have a few tangles in here. That's where we start getting really tangly. So that's lovely. Really nice mother of pearl. I don't think there's any. I like it sometimes when there's a little name on it. But yeah, that's me. Quite a little friendship bracelet maybe. Ooh, big tangle. Ooh, it's a big tangle, this one. This is a big tangle. This is a... Let's mindfully pull this one apart. Okay. So that looks like it's quite a long sort of silvery beaded. I quite like that. It's quite tangled though. Yeah, I like that. So that's something I'm going to untangle. Got this one again, I don't know. It's just a bit blur. So I've got a little pile for donation or sale. One of these pick apart maybe. Oh, sorry. Another little dangly thing. Again, that's quite me. Is it an actual locket? Pretend locket. Pretend nothing. There's not a locket. So yeah, that's quite cute. And that's me as well. Okay. They're very sticky. I'm assuming these are just fake ones. Seem to have been quite scratched. They don't seem real. I do collect pearls and pearl necklaces. I like layering them. Okay. Don't think that's silver. It's just fake. Okay, she can have that. Oh, and a cute dark. That's not actually black. It looks black. It's very, very dark brown. But that goes. Look, she's going to have a lovely little chunky collection to go together. Look, how cute's that? Oh, I'm gonna get a bumper Christmas box this year. Oh, now this nice. Oh, there's an earring tangled in there. Yeah, this is me. It's my very autumnal kind of selection. Again, that's quite tangled up. Okay. I think it's tangled and broken. So it needs a bit of repair. Well, these are nice. Look at those. They're plastic. But they are nice. There's a couple of little... I think they're glass pieces. There's plastic and glass. I do like that. It's nice colours. It's quite shiny as well. Okay. Oh, a whole selection. Is it a bracelet or a necklace? How funny. Oh no, I think perhaps it's a bracelet. You just wrap it round. Okay. She's doing well. This one. Don't think either of us would like that one. So I'll put that one over there in the donate it back pile. Oh, that's nice. It's really heavy too. Very shiny. You don't often see these clasps either. Something stamped there, but I don't think it's silver. Often you can tell real things if it's the clasps are actually soldered together rather than, I don't know. However, I do like that. It's quite cute. I'll keep that on. A couple more of these little bangles. Oh, a bit more of that broken necklace. Oh, another bangle. She's doing really well. Another bangle. That one's a bit strange. I mean, does it sit on okay? Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I don't like the way that sits at all for anyone. I think I'm going to pull that one apart. Ooh, it's great big, fine, seeded bead. Why is that up there? That doesn't seem right. This one seems off, and it seems like it should go down there, so I think that's a bit tangled. I think something's broken off there. But that's really pretty if I can fix that. Again, it's really heavy. But I love that bead there. And these are all, these are glass, they're not plastic. It's very heavy. I love it. Don't know if there's a maker mark on there. No, sadly. Very nice, very lovely piece. No. If that had been black, I think she would have liked that, but that's no, and that can go into the little donation pile. No, not for me either. However, great for school, I think, because they've got quite nice hole sizes in them for beading, and I might take these off as spacers, so that one's, I'm going to pull that one apart. Plus it does need restringing because it's gone very lax. What else have I got? Oh, again, this one needs restringing. That one's got very loose as well. Plus the pearls are really comically large. They might like those at school actually. I don't think I would use them that big, but I'll take the spacers apart. What else have I got? Ooh, another dangly. Another tangle dangly. This one's very dangly, I think. Okay, so something's going on there. And then something's going on this end as well. I wonder if there's two different necklaces. I have no idea. Or layered. I don't know. However, two cute little necklaces. I think might even be one that's layered. Not entirely sure. I think I'd add some more things to it, but I would keep that one. And that's it. Oh, and one odd earring, which it's a bit of a shame there wasn't another one, but that one's a nice one to pull apart. So yeah, she did quite well. Look, that's going to be lovely. I think this one needs fixing. Nice little sort of punky gothic thing for her for Christmas. I'm gonna make a big treasure box and she can put all her things in there. Beautiful little selection for me, which is more kind of earthy, natural kind of things that I like. A few little bits to go back to donation, which are not really either of us, I don't think. Yeah. And a few pieces to pull apart, either to go to school or to go in my own bead selection. So I think I spent £5 on them. It's a shame there's not more, I like more vintagey kind of things in there, but all in all, I'm quite happy with that selection. So yeah, so I might make another video later on today, because I'm catching up. I'm going to be wallpaper stripping as well. Hurrah! How exciting. And then I've pulled up my carpet in my dining room, and there's marley tiles under it, which I knew there probably would be. So that's going to be, I'm having real wood floor all the way through the dining room, but I'm just all the way through the house. I'm just trying to do it apart a bit at a time, because it's quite messy, and I don't like it very much. Anyway, have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.